I really love the campus. It's a perfect combination of like infrastructure and nature.
I love the staff here. They're very nice and everybody's so friendly.
I made a new friend and she's also coming here.
I learned more about the program overall, and I have a more clear understanding of what I want to do later.
The presence, the ambience is beautiful. I can't wait to get started here.
I'm siding a little bit more towards Glendon just because of how tight-knit the community is. The professors are just like your friends as well. Here it just seems like I'm more than just a number. I'm actually a person and a student who they're excited to teach.
I'm super excited to make new friends and practice my language skills. The languages here are not just French and English. I know that there are a ton of others that are spoken all over.
Today, talking to current students here, they were able to really give insights about internships and how the program really is.
I really like the environment. It's kind of a fun environment compared to the other universities where it's more strict.
It's such a great campus. It's a brand new building full of innovation and creativity.